On the right side, we have our logo, our avatar. Click on this avatar. By the way, if you have multiple accounts, you will need to do this for each account. This account, let's say, is my account, and here is an arrow we can switch accounts. If you only have one, you will not have this arrow. Next, we are interested in the section called Settings. At the very bottom, you will have a line called About the Application. Next, find a setting called General, where we have account settings and notifier and notifications. Click the arrow again, and a bunch of additional menus open because we've also activated additional features in the Play Store. Send Google information about which parts of the app you interact with. Look, if we click, details are very large. List opens. It says here that information about the menu, both the parts of the app you interact with, is sent to Google when you first launch it. Well, even this is really enough to get the most important information and send it somewhere to save it and then do something with it. Because every app you download depending on the program itself. First, that is access to files, access to the microphone, access to camera, or you need to enter a phone number, receive a text message, or simply register your last name, first name, middle name, date of birth, and so on. That is the most important data that you should not share with anyone, and this is precisely data that will be sent up. Of course, there's further that Google does not transfer email and so on, but frankly, I don't really believe it. So let me know in the comments what you think is worth trusting all this. I love them testing.